In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a poll on Messenger, or how you can easily create poll on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to ask a question in form of a poll on your Facebook Messenger application, this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to create a poll on Facebook Messenger is open the Messenger application, then click on the three lines at top right, then scroll down to communities and select any of these groups where you want to create the poll. So let's say this. Now tap on chat, then click on the group again. Then you see where you can chat on this group using Messenger. Now to create the poll here, all you need to do is click on this plus icon. Then you should see polls, then tap polls. Then you should see the pop-up. Then go ahead and ask your question. Is poll great? Then your answer, the first option is yes. Then add an option again, no. Add another, maybe. Then you can keep adding options to this poll. Then once I'm done creating the poll, then come here and click on create poll. Then you should see creating poll. This might take a bit seconds. And here you should see the poll created on the Facebook Messenger. Then anyone that votes here will be able to vote yes, no, or maybe. If I go ahead and tap vote, then I'll be prompted to choose the option here. Then let me say yes. Then go ahead and tap submit. Then you should see updating poll. You can see this is how you can easily create group in Messenger on Facebook. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.